Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about Azure Compute. Similar to the physical servers, what you are going to build on your data center, you need to have power supply. You need to have power supply from different sources. You need to have connection for the network, and you will install the operating system. These are the disk which is mirrored. Install the operating system. It can be Windows, Linux. You install the operating system and make the server available. Similarly, in Azure, the hardware layer is provided by Azure. This particular layer is a virtualized layer. For the virtualization platform, Azure uses Hyper-V. So you choose the virtual machine size, select the virtual machine, choose the size for the virtual machine, then select the disk, select networking, select firewall. Then you need to select the image. This will be the operating system image. The image can be Windows or it can be Linux. Similarly, how you will be able to boot the operating system on your physical data center, you will be able to boot the operating system on the virtual machine which is provided by Azure. Since this is an infrastructure as a service, there is no need for you to manage the hardware, but you have the complete control of the operating system. You can have the control of configuration and settings for both Windows and Linux. So you have the complete control over the settings, and you can configure the settings on these operating system. You can install the applications, you can edit the registry, you can add disks to the virtual machine. So all this configuration you can do it. So when we choose IaaS as a service, we will be able to control the operating system. We can run the custom application. In some of the scenarios, we will be running some custom application in our own data center, which is on-prem data center, and the same custom application has to be installed on the virtual machine which we are going to deploy on the Azure. So we can run the custom application. And also we can do the configuration and settings on the virtual machines. We are responsible for the security, patching, and backup, and availability. So it is customer responsibilities for all these areas. So now we understood about Azure Compute. Azure Compute is all about installing the virtual machine on the Azure cloud. To summarize, what is Azure Compute? Azure Compute is a virtual machine which is deployed on the Azure cloud. This virtual machine, what you are going to deploy, you have the full control. Since this is an infrastructure as a service or IaaS service, you have the control over the operating system, and you can run custom software, and also you have the option to do the configuration on the operating system.